a Fw190 125 meter, and I found an issue with the battery tray, which was actually sliding backwards. And I found a quick solution to fix that. So basically, I just put a hole in that in the slider, and I used an L wrench, and also a few magnets. So basically, I glued 2 of the magnets to the fuselage, the side of the slider, and also 2 of them I added. Yeah, you can see that 2 of them actually I glued over there, and 2 of them I glued to this L wrench, hex L wrench, so that I can put it there, and actually because of the magnet it will stay there. Yeah, since it's the magnets, it's not even going outside, it will always be stick there while we are flying. Yeah, so this way, yeah, once the tray is in, we can actually place this lock like this. Yeah, it will be, so because of the magnet, it's stay there. And even if we try to pull outside, basically because of that, it will stuck there. It's not going outside. Hope this will be helpful for you.